Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr, and today is Wednesday, May 13th, and I am here for your rundown on math. The theme of the week is keeping it short and sweet. So we've got continuing with our multiplying and dividing decimals. And so we don't have a new video to watch today, and you're picking one of these. And they're actually the same thing. This is if you want to look at it on the paper, and then you can print it off, do it on your notebook paper, or you can download it, although none of that is necessary. But this is the exact same document here, only you get to type in your answers and easily share it with your teacher. So my vote is number 2, but it's up to you. So if you click on this, it's going to pop up just like that. And again, you can print it out or you can download it. Downloading would be this little arrow right here. And then as you can see, there's an answer key. So short and sweet, 5 problems. And then the answer key, guys, don't look at the answers till after you've finished your work. No cheating, okay? So that's one option. Or you can just look at it off the screen. You don't have to download it or print it. And then, of course, here's your digital option. Always make a copy. Okay, and then let's pop up. And it should also be, you'll see that they have the squares there that you can type in. And again, the same 5 problems. And then here is your answer key. Oh, you'd have to open this one to get your answer key though. So you're going to have to open them both regardless so that you can get your answer key on that one. Okay, guys? And then don't forget to go back into your Schoology and answer your discussion post for today. And then that's truly it. You are short and sweet today, guys. You should be done in less than 30 minutes, okay? If you have any questions, as always, please let us know. Hit us up in Microsoft Teams. We are there for you, okay? Chat with us, video us. We are available. All right, guys, whatever you need. Y'all take care. Let us know. Bye-bye.